In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Jira with Outlook step by step, so you can turn emails into Jira issues, track work faster, and keep everything organized without switching tabs all day. This is perfect for project managers, developers, and teams that live in Outlook but manage tasks in Jira. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your Outlook account. You can do this using Outlook on the web or Outlook desktop, as the steps are very similar. Once you're signed in and your inbox is loaded, you're ready to start setting up the Jira integration. Next, click on Compose New Mail. This opens a new email window, and this is where the Jira integration becomes available. While you're composing the email, look toward the top message ribbon where you see different formatting and action options. In the message ribbon, click on Apps. This is where Outlook lets you connect third-party tools directly inside your email workflow. From the Apps menu, click on Get Add-ins. This will take you to the Microsoft App Marketplace where you can browse and install Outlook integrations. Once the Marketplace opens, click into the search field and type Jira for Outlook, or simply type Jira. Give it a second to load the results, and you should see the official Jira add-in appear in the list. Click on Jira from the search results, then click the Add button. Outlook will now install the Jira add-in and connect it to your account. This usually only takes a few seconds. After adding the add-in, you may be prompted to sign into your Jira account. In most cases, this happens automatically if you're already logged in, but if not, just enter your Jira credentials and authorize the connection. Once signed in, Outlook and Jira will be fully integrated. Now, whenever you're reading or composing an email, you can open the Jira add-in and instantly create Jira issues, link emails to existing tickets, and track work without leaving Outlook. This can save a huge amount of time and keeps your communication and project management perfectly in sync. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jira with Outlook in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more 2026 ready software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.